An object that may be older than our own solar system, a survivor of a billion-year journey between the stars, is entering our skies, and for 1 week only, it will be perfectly positioned for you to see it. This is 3I Atlas, a colossal comet from an unknown star, and it won't be back for millions of years, if ever. But seeing it won't be easy. It's a faint, ghostly visitor on a precise path. Most people will miss it entirely. This video is your guide to being one of the few who won't. We'll give you the map, the tools, and the one critical secret to witnessing this celestial encounter. So when and where do you need to look? The success of this observation comes down to timing. The absolute best week to observe Comet 3I Atlas is from December 15th to the 21st of this year, 2025. This specific window is the prime opportunity for two critical reasons that align in what can only be described as an extraordinary and fortunate coincidence of celestial mechanics. First, the comet makes its closest approach to Earth on December 19th, bringing it as near as it will ever be on its one-time journey through our solar system. Second, and most importantly, this event aligns perfectly with the new moon on December 19th to 20th. This means that for the entire week, the moon will either be a thin, late-rising crescent or completely absent from the sky. This guarantees the darkest possible conditions, which are absolutely critical for having any chance of spotting such a faint and challenging target. This alignment of proximity and perfect darkness is a rare gift for astronomers, an opportunity that should not be missed. For those of us in the mid-northern latitudes, your best opportunity will be in the dark, pre-dawn hours. The ideal window opens around 3 a.m. local time and lasts until the start of astronomical twilight. This is because the target constellations will have risen high in the sky. Look towards the east and southeast to find the vast expanse of sky between the prominent constellations of Leo and Virgo. To locate the comet, your main guidepost, the star you'll want to find first, is the nebula, Beta Leonis, the bright star that marks the tail of Leo the Lion. Using a technique called star hopping, you will use the nebula as your starting reference to navigate into the star-poor region nearby and pinpoint the comet's exact location with a detailed chart. Now, let's manage expectations. What are you actually looking for? You are not looking for a bright object with a long, flowing tail. 3I Atlas will appear as a small, faint, diffuse patch of light, like a fuzzy, out-of-focus star. At a predicted magnitude of 12.0 to 12.5, it is a very challenging visual target. More advanced observers with large telescopes might be able to spot its teardrop-shaped dust cocoon or even a faint greenish hue, which is caused by diatomic carbon fluorescing in sunlight. To ensure you can find this challenging target, we are building your all-in-one guide right now. This video is your mission plan, and in the next few days, we will assemble everything required, from the essential tools to the precise location, maps, and techniques to observe this incredible celestial event. To get notified when the full detailed guide drops, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. So how do you succeed? First, get away from the city. You need a dark sky location with a clear view, far from light pollution. Second, aperture is key. A telescope with a large mirror is essential. A minimum of an 8-inch aperture telescope is required, but a 12-inch or larger is strongly recommended. Third, use the averted vision technique. This is the secret weapon for seeing faint objects. Instead of staring directly at the comet's location, look slightly to the side. This uses the more light-sensitive parts of your peripheral vision and will make the faint glow pop into view. As a bonus, while you're in this region of the sky, you are looking directly into the heart of the Virgo cluster of galaxies. After you've found the comet, take some time to explore this incredible cosmic neighborhood. The search for 3I Atlas is a search for a messenger from another star system. But what about the search for life in our own cosmic backyard? Click the link on your screen now to see the compelling signs of life NASA may have already found on Mars.